the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back and happy Friday. Take a look at the fair weather cumulus clouds. Steamy looking sky there as our live sky cam is looking off to the west. And we've got a quiet evening underway for your outdoor plans. As far as the looping Doppler radar, even in southeast Texas, although it is still raining, it's only light, and it's nothing like what they've seen the last several days where they've just been paralyzed from the flooding rains and Imelda that we talked about earlier in the broadcast. For us here in the coastal bend, we did see isolated showers today. They were on the coast this morning, inland this afternoon, and now have dissipated, so that is certainly good news. Rainfall in our area today, a few hundredths along the coast, a little bit more in some stray areas or isolated areas inland, San Patricio and parts of Refugio and Aransas County into southern B County. Satellite and radar shows mainly clear skies right now outside, lots of sunshine and heat going on. No weather systems to work with in the state to speak of, so we're just getting a moderate breeze here. And in fact, today was the windiest of the next 7 days. Tomorrow will be breezy, but all the other days following tomorrow up through next weekend are going to be on the light side wind-wise. The water vapor imagery shows mainly dry air here as high pressure is starting to take hold from the Ohio Valley all the way back into northern Mexico. So we have low-level moisture that builds up a little bit and gives us a shower or two, but it doesn't get to very high levels because of this high pressure system capping off or putting a lid on our atmosphere. So we're not going to get a lot of rain, just isolated showers here over the weekend and Monday. Now, as we take a look at what's happening with the future tracker, again, you can see high pressure dominating this low trying to dig in the west, but eventually what's going to happen is this is going to lift out to the northeast. If this were to pass through us from the west, we'd get a cold front, but it's going to move northeast eventually, so that's going to delay the onset of our first major cold front of the season, which still hasn't happened, and it looks like now it's going to be October before it happens and not September, which is it's definitely late and unusual. 89 degrees right now. We'll cool off through the 80s through midnight with winds coming down under 10 miles an hour. It'd be nice to see that. And temperatures dropping through the 80s into the 70s. We'll start at a steamy 80 degrees in the morning, 88 at noon with isolated showers around, mitigating our high temperatures a little bit, and 89 at 5 p.m. with the high tomorrow being 93 degrees, but 98 in Allison, 99 in George West. The winds, they are breezy now, but calm down in the morning and not as windy tomorrow, so we have a better shot at a few showers around the city, but only isolated in nature, as you can see right here. So again, the coast in the morning, inland in the afternoon. Rainfall amounts will only be a few hundredths of an inch. Your Friday Night Fever football forecast, warm, windy, and definitely on the mainly clear side. Your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, isolated showers over the weekend and the first day of fall. In spite of that, it's still going to feel like summer here all of next week with highs above normal in the 90s. Well, we're going out to Cabinets Field for Paul and Alan.
All right, Dale, thank you. Yeah, you're right. It's very, very windy out here at Cabinets Field, but we got a whale of a game on tap tonight, and Paul and I will sit here and we'll talk to the coaches, and we'll get you going here in about 2 minutes. We're coming right back.